Hey there, Adventure Awaits world. Welcome back to the channel. I'm so thrilled to have you here with me today. We're standing in what feels like a slice of heaven on earth, Wineglass Bay in Tasmania's Freycinet National Park. Just look at this. I mean, seriously, look at it. The bay curves so perfectly it feels like nature itself is showing off. They're like something out of a fairy tale. I can't wait to share this adventure with you. Let's dive in and explore every magical inch of this iconic spot together. Now, to get here, we tackled the Wineglass Bay Lookout Trail. It's about a 1.5 hour round trip, and let me tell you, this hike, it's a bit of a workout, but oh my goodness, it's worth every single step. The trail is well maintained, but there are some steep bits, so make sure you've got your trusty shoes and plenty of water. And hey, keep your eyes peeled. Along the way, you might spot some adorable wallabies hopping around or catch a glimpse of Tasmania's vibrant bird life. This place, it's a nature lover's dream come true. Okay, deep breath. We've made it to the lookout. Look at this view, Wineglass Bay in all its breathtaking glory. That perfect crescent shape, the shimmering turquoise water. It's no wonder this place is constantly named one of the world's most beautiful beaches. And here's a little history for you. The bay got its name from its shape, but back in the 1800s, it was also a whaling station. Can you imagine the water turning red during those times? It's heartbreaking to think about, but thankfully, those days are behind us. Now, it's all about protecting and cherishing this incredible natural wonder. But wait, Wineglass Bay is just the beginning. Freycinet National Park has so much more to offer. There's Hazards Beach, the Cape Tourville Lighthouse, and those iconic pink granite peaks of the Hazards Range that just seem to glow in the sunlight. And if you're feeling extra adventurous, you can tackle the Freycinet Peninsula Circuit, a 2 to 3 day hike that promises some of the most jaw-dropping views you'll ever experience. Trust me, your soul will thank you for it. Thank you so much for joining me on this unforgettable adventure to Wineglass Bay. If you loved this journey as much as I did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Adventure Awaits World and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the next big adventure. Oh, and let me know in the comments, where should we explore next? Until then, keep chasing those dreams, keep exploring, and always remember, adventure awaits. There you go, full of wonder, excitement, and a touch of awe.